is a bonus clip from the video that I've just uploaded for you all. So if you haven't checked that out, I'll put that in the cards above, or I'll put it in the description box down below, so y'all can go ahead and check that out. But for right now, I've gotten a very good question from a couple of videos back from one of my lovely subscribers. She asked a very good question on how do you maintain blow-dried hair. So I thought that was a really good question to address in this video. I wanted to separate the footage from that last video so it wouldn't be too long for you all. But yeah, so how do you maintain blow-dried hair? First and foremost, you gotta start off with a very good blowout. So making sure your hair is moisturized, making sure you did deep condition your hair very well, and using a very good leave-in. That's a very good base to maintaining your blowout throughout the weeks to come, or however long you're going to have your hair stretched. Now the tricky part is how do you maintain it without reverting it back to its curly state? You want to keep it stretched. So I believe in very good penetrating oils. I'll have them listed up here so y'all can check them out. But since you have applied heat to your hair, the heat opens up the cuticles. If you haven't sealed your hair with cool air, it's very important to use penetrating oils so that it can get into the hair strands, but also laying your hair strands down at the same time so that your blowout can last a little bit longer. But if you like to use just a store-bought oil that's already, mixed with great ingredients, I would recommend this oil that I have been using on my hair. So this is the Main Choice Exotic Kool-Aid Mellow, Melon, and Nectarine Melted Shine Oil. It's very nourishing, especially with all the different oils. I'll kind of like put the first 5 oils that I see in here. It feels so great on my hair, and it smells good as well. And aloe leaf juice is very good for hydration, which I absolutely love. But since it's not too high up there, it's not going to really it's not going to revert your hair back. But it is within the midst of all the good oils and fruit extracts, so it is going to help nourish and get the oils into your hair strands so it can really soak it up, and that way it will help to maintain your blowout for a longer period of time. So I would really recommend this oil right here. It's very concentrated, but it's lightweight and it's not greasy at all. So you just use a little bit and then apply it onto your hair, and then you detangle it, and your hair will feel very soft. And then what I usually do is I'll wrap it up in a bun. Lately I've just been wrapping it up in 2 buns to keep my hair, stretched and separated, so that when I take it down that it won't be, too much like all together, but it would be separated a little, but give some but still keep my hair stretched as possible. This is very nourishing to your hair, and I would really recommend this oil. I know there are other oils that you can use to kind of like keep the maintenance of your hair, which I've shown you in that list before, but this is a very good oil if you want to buy it from the store. I would really recommend this. If you kind of like follow that nightly routine, not saying that you have to follow it exactly, but that's what I have been doing to keep up with the maintenance of my hair, just to kind of stretch out my stretch style. So I really hope that that was helpful for my lovely subscriber that asked that question, and I hope that it was helpful for everyone else who was thinking about how do I maintain the blow-dried look. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below your favorite products that you like to use while you're maintaining your blow-dried hair. And if you'd like to join this family, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be alerted when I post my next upload. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.